Hi viewers. This is my daughter making yummy mushroom sauce. She makes me so proud. We're going to use white button mushrooms. White button mushrooms are easy to find because they grow all year round. When cooked, they develop an earthy flavor with a tender, chewy texture. Their color, tiny size, texture, and taste make them ideal for mushroom sauce. They work well in today's mushroom sauce also because the recipe showcases the shape of the mushroom. Chop white button mushrooms into thin slices. Place your mushroom slices on low heat until they release some liquid. Make space in the middle of your pan and melt butter or margarine there. Margarine is preferable because it adds the most beautiful aroma to food. Sprinkle some baking flour on the sizzling butter. Still on low heat. Because if your butter burns, it will turn into a dark color. Mix butter and flour into a paste with a cooking spoon. Make sure there are no lumps. And then mix the paste with your mushroom. Add hot milk and mix. I heat my milk in the microwave beforehand because milk burns easily if you keep it on heat for long. Season with black pepper and mix. Simmer on low heat until the liquid reduces and the sauce thickens. Just be mindful not to burn your sauce, because burnt milk spoils everything. You can't save burnt milk. Sprinkle some cheese on your sauce. You can only decide how much salt you need to add after the cheese has melted. Because cheese has a large salt content, it might just be enough. Season with paprika. My daughter just loves paprika, but she makes it work. Mix everything and simmer for a little while. Just until paprika is cooked. Cheese is blended with the sauce. And you've got your desired consistency. And voila! Now you can add your mushroom sauce to your meal or whatever you desire. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.